Is doing laundry a pain for you? Do you feel like you're wasting time and money on something that should be simple? Well, worry no more. This video will show you some fantastic laundry hacks that will save you time and money. From using dryer sheets to keep your clothes static-free to using a lint roller to remove pet hair, these tips will make your laundry routine a breeze. Watch the video now and see how you can hack your way to clean clothes. 1. Keep your clothes static-free using dryer sheets. One of the biggest problems people have with laundry is static clothes. Static makes it harder for clothes to get clean. So, what's a hack you can use to keep your clothes static-free? Well, dryer sheets. A dryer sheet will help eliminate static in your clothes, preventing them from clinging to each other as you load them into the dryer. It will also leave your clothes smelling fresh. Place a dryer sheet at the bottom of your hamper, then throw in your clothes. This way, it will do double duty and eliminate the need to buy fabric softener. You can also add a few drops of your favorite essential oil to the dryer sheet, neutralizing any static electricity on your clothes. Also, the scent will linger for days. 2. Remove pet hair with a lint roller. A lint roller is one of the most underrated cleaning tools. Many people use it more often to remove pet hair from clothes and furniture than for removing crumbs, but it's an excellent tool for both. Pet hair is one of the most common household problems. No matter how often you vacuum and sweep, pet hair is everywhere. To make getting rid of it easy, use a lint roller. It will pick up loose fur on your furniture, floors, and clothing. The roller brush does the work for you. You can also use a lint roller to eliminate dirt or dust in small corners. Stick it into tight spaces, and then pull it out. The sticky roller will pick up any dirt that you couldn't reach before. 3. Pre-treat stains. If your cloth has a stain, you should pre-treat it before putting it in the laundry. Use a dry cleaning kit or spot remover, and work it directly into the stain. Once the fabric absorbs the cleaning kit, wash it immediately. If you wait until the stain sets, it will be harder to get out. Dry cleaning kits work best on fresh stains. If you let the stain set for a few days, it will be harder to get out. The only way left to remove the stain is by using a solvent or dry cleaning product. 4. Make your own laundry detergent for pennies. The key ingredient in most laundry detergents is soap. You can make your laundry detergent easily by mixing a few ingredients and letting them sit overnight. This recipe will get you to use less soap because it produces suds, but it still gets your clothes clean. A simple homemade laundry detergent recipe comprises 1 cup of washing soda, 1 cup of borax, and 2 cups of hot water. Please, don't use this recipe on colored clothes because it can discolor them. It works best on white attires. It also doesn't work well in high-efficiency washers. The first step to making this detergent is to get washing soda, borax, and a container. You can find washing soda, also called sodium carbonate, in the laundry aisle of your local grocery or hardware store. It's often sold as a water softener. 5. Go for a washing machine with a faster spin. Some washing machines have a fast spin cycle that can get your clothes dry faster. The quicker the spin, the less water your clothes will absorb. Your clothes might not be completely dry, but they will be drier than if you had used an average washing machine. If your washer doesn't have a fast spin setting, use a drying rack instead. A drying rack can get your clothes dry in minutes. 6. Use mesh bags. You can use mesh bags in the washing machine to wash delicates like bras, lingerie, and undergarments. Mesh bags are sold online or at your local laundry store. These bags are designed to let the water flow while preventing your clothes from being damaged by the wash cycle. The bags have little holes that allow water passage while retaining the clothes. They are beneficial if you don't have a delicate cycle or you're worried about putting certain items of clothing in your washing machine. 7. Use vinegar and baking soda to get tough stains out of clothes. Baking soda and vinegar are excellent stain removers that can help you keep your clothes looking fresh. They are perfect for getting out tough stains like coffee, red wine, and ketchup. If your clothes are stained, fill a container with a 50-50 mixture of water and vinegar. Sponge the solution on the stain and ensure to work it into the fabric. Afterwards, rub a bit of baking soda into the stain and leave it overnight. Your clothes will be as good as new in the morning. You can also apply a little baking soda directly onto the clothing area that has a stain, then add some vinegar. Let it sit for about 5 minutes and scrub with a brush. The two ingredients will work together to get out tough stains. 8. Fold straight from the dryer. Once you have finished drying your clothes, don't let them sit in a basket or clutter the whole place. Instead, fold them while they are still warm and damp. This method is much easier because items will naturally fall into place as you arrange them over each other. It is also important to fold your clothes immediately after drying, to stay wrinkle-free. Additionally, if you are drying a large load of clothes, fold them as soon as they are dry, so that you don't forget about them and let the pile get higher. 9. Line dry in the sun on a breezy day. The best way to dry clothes is by hanging them out on a breezy day when the sun is shining. Line drying clothes is the most effective way to rid items of moisture and remove wrinkles. If you are worried about the weather being too hot, don't be. Line drying in warm weather is perfect because it will dry clothes faster and save time and energy. 10. Use hampers where you think your clothes might fall. When folding clothes, use a hamper in the room. It will ensure your clothes do not slip off the bed or table and land on the floor. Hard flooring can lead to dirt and wrinkles, so this is a great tip to save time and effort. As they say, a stitch in time saves 9. Line drying clothes and using hampers are the most effective ways to rid items of moisture and remove wrinkles. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 19 brilliant vinegar and baking soda cleaning hacks. Thanks for watching and bye for now.